Gentlemen, here's something most men miss. The reason you feel more drained, older, and disconnected from the vibrant version of yourself isn't just aging. It's because your body has lost its ability to repair itself overnight. You can load up on magnesium, but if you're not getting two essential vitamins at the right time before bed, your body can't fully recover. And that's why so many men over 60 experience that frustrating, unshakable fatigue. Tonight, I'm sharing something different. A simple 1 minute nightly habit that can reset your energy, boost circulation, and even reignite your confidence in the bedroom. No medications, no stimulants, just nature doing what it's meant to do. I'm Dr. Ada James, and for the past decade, I've helped men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s regain their vitality without relying on quick fixes. Your body isn't broken, it just needs the right signals at the right time. In this video, I'll explain the two vitamins that serve as your body's repair leaders. They don't just improve your sleep, they quietly restore what time tried to take: your circulation, cellular strength, and natural energy. Before you grab another magnesium pill, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reset your body's natural rhythm starting tonight. Where are you tuning in from? Drop a comment below. You don't bounce back like you used to. Your mornings feel heavier, your energy drains quicker, and your body just moves slower. But here's a truth most men miss. Your body isn't aging too quickly. It's simply not getting the nutrients and timing it needs to repair itself each night. Let's break down what's happening inside. Problem number 1, circulation slowdown. Your blood vessels become stiffer, less flexible. Nitric oxide, the gas your arteries use to expand, begins to drop off sharply after 50. This is why you feel sluggish and why your performance may not be the same. Problem number 2, mitochondrial fatigue. Your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses in your cells, slow down. They don't produce enough energy for your heart, brain, and muscles. It's not just fatigue, it's your cells begging for fuel and not getting it. Problem number 3, the magnesium myth. Many men turn to magnesium to fix this, but magnesium is the sidekick, not the hero. Magnesium alone won't fix stiff arteries, balance hormones, or reactivate your silent repair genes. It needs guidance from the real leaders. The good news? You can restore your body's rhythm once you understand the two key vitamins and the exact timing to take them. Most people don't think about when they take vitamins, they just swallow them with coffee and hope for the best, but your body operates on a precise internal clock, your circadian rhythm. If you ignore that rhythm, you're wasting half the benefits of what you take. Here's the secret. Your body's prime repair window isn't during the day. It's at night between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. That's when your body enters its deepest restoration phase. Hormones rebalance, arteries relax, the brain clears waste, muscles begin cellular repair. This is when our 2-star vitamins shine their brightest. When you take vitamins in the morning, they fight against cortisol, your stress hormone. But when you take them 60 minutes before bed, you signal to your body, it's time to rebuild. This creates the perfect environment for real healing. No stress, no digestion, just full focus on renewal. That's why nighttime is sacred for men's health. Testosterone regenerates, nitric oxide production resets, and inflammation cools down. These two vitamins may not be rare or expensive, but when you take them together at night, they unlock a repair process that most men over 50 haven't felt in years. Vitamin number 2, vitamin D3, the hormone and nitric oxide trigger. The biology. Many men assume D3 is just for bone health, but it's much more than that. It's one of the most overlooked hormones in your body. D3 activates genes that regulate blood flow and hormone balance, and it plays a crucial role in producing nitric oxide, the gas that keeps your arteries open, flexible, and responsive. After 50, your skin becomes less efficient at converting sunlight, causing D3 levels to drop significantly. The emotional impact. When D3 levels are low, your arteries stiffen, energy wanes, and your mood can take a hit. Getting your D3 right is key to restoring strength, vitality, and a sense of readiness. The practical fix? Aim for about 5,000 IU of D3 nightly. Since D3 is fat-soluble, take it with a bit of healthy fat, like a few nuts or a teaspoon of olive oil, to ensure full absorption. Vitamin number 1, vitamin K2, the silent director. The biology. Vitamin K2 is like a traffic cop for calcium, directing it to strengthen bones instead of allowing it to harden your arteries. While D3 tells your body what to do, K2 tells it where to do it. After absorbing calcium with the help of D3, K2 ensures that calcium doesn't end up in your arteries and soft tissues, which would stiffen them and reduce blood flow over time. K2 activates proteins that guide calcium away from your arteries and into your bones. The emotional impact: K2 protects your long-term circulation and vascular health. While subtle, the effect is profound: a return to smooth, youthful blood flow and a quiet sense of health that allows confidence to rebuild. The practical fix: aim for 90 to 180 micrograms of K2, specifically the MK7 form, nightly, always paired with D3. The biology: the real power comes from the synergy between the two. D3 boosts nitric oxide production, and K2 keeps your arteries clear. Magnesium glycinate is the coactor that supports both vitamins, calming your nervous system and promoting deeper nitric oxide boosting sleep. The emotional impact: this trio ensures that your body's nightly repair cycle isn't just attempted, it's completed. You wake up feeling strong, steady, and fully recharged, not drained or jittery. The practical fix: about an hour after dinner, take the trio with a small source of healthy fat. This aligns the nutrients with your body's prime repair window. Think of it as creating the perfect environment for D3 and K2 to do their best work. Stick with this and you'll start noticing subtle improvements: better sleep, smoother mornings, and a quiet confidence that feels like youth returning. This isn't magic, it's your biology working as it was meant to. Set your vitamins by your bedside. Make it a promise to yourself, a small nightly ritual that says, "I'm taking back my health." Now, I want to hear from you. What's your current nighttime routine? Share your experience below. I read every comment and will answer the most common questions in future videos. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and share with a man who needs this. Take care of your body, feed it right, rest deeply, and let nature do what it does best: repair you from the inside out. I'm Dr. Ada James, reminding every man over 60 that it's never too late to feel strong again.